Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace a glass doorknob. I looked on YouTube because I had this problem a couple years ago when a doorknob came off and I couldn't find one. So I'm going to put my first one on. What I've used that I found to be very successful is the E6000, and you got to make sure it's the clear E6000. I'm going to put some of it on here, and then I'm going to hold it on with a bunch of rubber bands. So that's the short version. Now if you want to watch me do it, stay tuned. Alright, I'll use a bit of petroleum jelly. Here on the base so that when I take this cap off next time, it's not glued to it. Alright, I'll leave this on there for 24 to 48 hours, and then I'll show you what it's like when we're finished. Alright, now I'm going to take the rubber bands off. Actually, I've been out of town, so this has been about a 3 days worth of drying. And there we go. It's good as new. There you go. See?